In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log activities in HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing your contacts, dealing with company records, working through deals, handling tickets, or custom objects, keeping track of activities is crucial for maintaining an organized and effective workflow. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you're going to need to log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you have all the necessary files and details prepared, as this will help streamline the process and keep you focused on logging the activity efficiently. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific record where you want to log your activity. This could be a contact, a company, a deal, a ticket, or even a custom object. Finding the right record is important because this is where all related activities will be stored and easily accessed later. Here's what you do next. Open up the details for the record you've chosen. This is the critical step where you'll begin to add value by logging relevant activities. When you access the record's details, look closely under the title. You'll see a range of logging options that HubSpot provides you with. You can log an SMS, a LinkedIn message, a WhatsApp message, a call, an email, or even postal mail. Choose the type of activity that best suits the action you want to document. After you've selected an option, you'll notice a handy pop-up appears at the bottom left of your screen. This is where you'll fill in all the relevant information for your chosen activity type. Depending on what you're logging, this might include details like the date and time, the outcome, if it's a call, the subject of an email or message, and any important notes you want to add. Be thorough but concise. The goal is to ensure anyone reviewing the record in the future understands the context and significance of this entry. When you're satisfied with the information you've added, the next step is to make sure you save the activity. This action logs it within the record's timeline, ensuring it's there for future reference and analysis. Remember, saving the activity is the final step that's crucial in ensuring your efforts aren't lost. And that's it. You've successfully logged an activity in HubSpot, creating a trackable history that supports better communication and decision-making. By maintaining detailed records, you empower yourself and your team to operate more efficiently and with greater insight. Practice makes perfect, so continue logging activities regularly to become more proficient.